Medico Herbs presents MSM, Fantastic Natural Chronic Pain Relief. MSM is a safe, natural supplement which assists the body in maintaining adequate sulfur stores. MSM is good for back pain, muscle pain, recovery from exercise, balance pH levels. Buy Medico Herbs MSM as it is pure, and thus most effective. MSM you receive has been distilled. No chemicals are left behind. It is the purest possible form of the chemical MSM. Pure MSM, Methylsulfonylmethane. What is MSM used for? MSM, Methylsulfonylmethane, is an organic form of sulfur readily absorbed and utilized by our bodies. MSM is composed of 34% bioavailable sulfur, making it the richest source of organic sulfur available. MSM is a safe, natural supplement which assists the body in maintaining adequate sulfur stores. MSM may support the body in regulating insulin production, improving skin smoothness and elasticity, regulating environmental and allergic sensitivities, enhancing bowel function and liver detoxification, and enhancing respiratory function. Our bodies require the element sulfur for many of its functions. Sulfur is a component of the proteins necessary for the formation of skin, hair, nails, and muscle. Sulfur is also a component of bones, teeth, and collagen, connective tissue. Sulfur is integral in the formation of bile acids by the liver and insulin by the pancreas. It is the fourth most plentiful mineral in the body and is essential for life. History of MSM. Doctors Jacob and Hirschler at the Oregon Health and Sciences University in Portland, Oregon, discovered MSM in the early 1985s. MSM comes from the evaporation of the waters of the oceans into the rain clouds, and then is present in the rain itself. If you water your garden with rainwater, then MSM will be present in the produce of your garden. If you water your garden with water from only your faucet, then no MSM will be present in your produce. MSM should be present in all the products we consume. However, it is easily destroyed by any heat or processing of foods or water treatment plants. Therefore, finding MSM in our readily available foods is getting harder to do. The half-life of MSM is only 12 hours when consumed within the body. Therefore, supplementation with MSM should be repeated both mornings and again in the evening. MSM is considered very safe. Toxicity is extremely rare. MSM is generally non-allergenic. MSM applications, supported by research and multiple patents. MSM insufficient levels as a dietary supplement can help and improve the following conditions: allergic responses, gastrointestinal disorders, reduces effects of stress, improves circulation and enhances cell vitality, helps regulate insulin production, improves skin smoothness and elasticity, reduces pain associated with systemic inflammatory disorders, including arthritis, night leg cramps, and migraines. MSM has also shown benefits in reducing sluggish memory and symptoms of asthma and emphysema, reducing post-athletic activity fatigue, and improved joint flexibility. The addition of the following synergistic ingredients greatly improves the effectiveness of MSM in many of the above conditions: vitamin C, amylase, cellulose, lipase, sucrase, maltase, lactase, bromelain, and amyloglucosidase. The addition of glucosamine HCl greatly improves the effectiveness of MSM for osteoarthritis. MSM serves two very important processes within the body: Some of the excess MSM you consume will flush out of your body in about 12 hours, taking with it many toxins. It is involved in the cellular makeup of the cell walls of any of the new cells your body creates. Our bodies are constantly making new cells to replace old cells. As new cells are created, the MSM is incorporated into the polypeptide bonds that make up the cell walls. The result is the creation of cell walls that are more permeable to nutrients. It is like comparing backpack nylon material to cheesecloth. Cell walls without MSM will be very impermeable to nutrients, while cell walls with adequate MSM will be very permeable to nutrients. Skin. The sulfur within MSM is responsible for the flexibility and elasticity of the skin. When sufficient MSM is present, the skin is softer, smoother, and more flexible. Tests conducted among laboratory animals indicated that wound healing occurred faster with a group receiving MSM plus vitamin C. Based on this information, MSM has been used to enhance skin wellness, improve scar formation, and assist in skin health in teens prone to acne. Allergy. There is considerable anecdotal evidence that MSM promotes a reduction in allergic symptoms in individuals with environmental allergies and sensitivities. Dr. Jacobs, who has utilized MSM in research at the Oregon Health Sciences University, reports improved allergic responses with the use of MSM. Liver detoxification. Sulfur is an extremely important component of glutathione, the amino acid integral in phase 2 liver detoxification enzymes. Adequate levels of this based amino acid are necessary for the liver to perform its detoxification role. Supplementation with MSM may promote improved liver detoxification. Joints. General improvement in overall joint mobility is seen with the use of MSM. Reports have noted improvement in pain and inflammation associated with arthritis and gout. It is postulated that this is due to based enhancement of the sodium-potassium pump, allowing improved fluid flow and removal of cell toxins with reduction of pain and inflammation. One study at Oregon Health Sciences University found that animals that were given MSM showed no degeneration of cartilage associated with rheumatoid arthritis. Studies in human volunteers with arthritis showed a 60% improvement in pain after taking 2.25 grams per day of MSM for 4 weeks. After 6 weeks, the improvement rate rose to 82%. Lung. MSM has been purported to enhance lung function by regulating the fluid that covers the airway, surface of the lungs, surfactant, and decreasing inflammation. It has been used to decrease airway reactivity in asthmatics. One study showed that MSM increased lung capacity in a group of patients with emphysema, parasitic infections, and gastrointestinal health. Animal studies suggest that MSM may help lessen parasitic, microbial, and fungal infections at levels of 750 to 1,500 mg daily. MSM probably works by competing for receptor sites on the mucous membrane surface, thereby blocking parasite adherence. Side effects. MSM is considered very safe. Toxicity is extremely rare. No toxic effects were shown in humans given up to 1 gram per kilogram of body weight, 70 grams or more, per day for 30 days. MSM is generally non-allergenic. Dosage. Start with 4 tablets per day and increase the dosage daily until you feel a reduction of pain, normally within 3 to 4 days. Once relief is obtained, reduce the dosage until you achieve a suitable maintenance dosage without the pain returning. MSM is available online from medicoherbs.co.za. For more on this product, visit the link in the description. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more featured products.